David, what's up?
Dialing in on the redfish.
Dialed in on the redfish. What is this, like our fourth spot? We tried trout. Yeah, we tried trout. Didn't really get into any. Caught a whiting. We tried a creek. Didn't really get into them.
Now that we've got current flow.
Got a little bit of current flow. We're about, I don't know, a couple hours from low tide. They're starting to bite and
They are eating up the shrimp.
eating up the shrimp. We've got a couple bleeding out. What do we got? 3 redfish bleeding out right there. We got some in the box. I forgot to record, but we're recording now. And see what we can do. Keep it going. We're on David's boat today. Beautiful day, got some wind, but check out this boat. What is this, a Calcutta, what year?
2017.
2017, 26-foot Calcutta. Prettiest boat I've been on. Beautiful boat, lots of space. It's been windy, so we've been going through the chop today. What you got?
Redfish.
Oh, I got a bite too. Are we gonna get a double? Look at that. Nice. Beautiful keeper redfish. I don't know, that guy might be a little, look at his blue tail. You could probably boat flip him. Nice. That's what we like to see, flopping on the deck. Hey, hold him up. Beautiful. I don't know, he might not make it.
Let's give him a measure.
Yeah.
15.
15, he makes it.
Almost 16.
Brain him and bleed him. I'm caught on stingray. Look at that. That is my 3rd stingray in a row. David's on the redfish now. Stingrays are a pretty cool looking animal. Look at those spines down his back. What you talking about over by the dock? Yeah. If we do another spot, we should do that flat. How many are we away from a limit now? I think that one right there bleeding out is 8. No, we're at 7. Yeah, 7 and a whiting. He gone. Just had a bald eagle fly by. David's on again. Redfish. Some head shakes. Yep, another nice redfish. He might be a boat flipper. Oh, that's nice to be able to drag him up there. Number 8. It's a 5 fish, 5 redfish limit. We're working on 2-man limit. It's 10, obviously, so we got 2 more to go for the fish fry. The water's pretty churned up, so I can't really sight cast, but obviously we know they're here. We caught 8 of them. All these redfish that we're catching, it's at low tide right now, and they've all come out of this marsh. So we're catching them as they come out of this marsh. David's on about his 6th redfish. Come on, redfish.
Yep, we got the power fishing.
I got my TV drag set. Shark, dang it. That's the first bonnethead of the year. I had a sneaky suspicion because there was no head shakes.
Hey, that thing took off with not red fish. Here, you want to hand me the rod down and you come down?
Yeah, let me
Hand me the rod.
I'm coming down. Do you mind if I net him? I mean, they are pretty fish. How deep is that hook in? Nice. Ooh, they're pretty fish too. Ah, that's all right. Hey David, what kind of day do we have?
That was awesome, Jeffrey. Putting us on the fish.
It took us
as usual.
It took us a minute to find them, but once we found them, it was on.
Yeah, it was good.
I think we ended.
Good. We just know the time.
Yeah.
We just know we gotta wait till this place, this spot, this time.
Yeah, that couple hour bite window. That's always the deal.
Showed some patience.
Find them and then get on them.
Yep. Awesome stuff.
Once we found them, we got on them. We're headed back to the ramp. Beautiful day. There's been a lot of people out of the water. They're kind of filtering out now. But we're going to try to get back to the boat ramp before the crowd arrives. Hey, I appreciate you bringing me out on your boat.
I appreciate you putting me on the fish.
This is probably the most comfortable boat I've ever fished off of. 26-foot Calcutta. Can't beat it. With the tower. We're going offshore next time. It was about 3 to 4 foot out there today, so we decided to be comfortable. Look at that beautiful Calcutta. That's a beautiful boat.
That's right?
Yep. It's a Nice rig. Getting off the water.
I don't know if I get that spinning on there or not.
It should work. I've done it before.
Awesome day, Jeffro.
Yeah, another beautiful day on the water. Hey, man, I appreciate you taking me out.
Hey, I appreciate you coming and putting us on the fish.
Heck
You
yeah.
know where they are, what tide, what time.
Do it again soon.
All right, man. Thanks.
Perfect day.
All right, man.
See y'all later.